I finally got me a welding slash fab table put together. If you hang around to the end, I'll go over the cost and the materials. There's still a lot of welding to do on this table. I just wanted to flip it over and make sure that it wasn't rocking. I mean, this floor is not perfectly flat. I did square everything up and try to keep everything square the best that I could, but I still wanted to make sure that, you know, everything was good before I just 100% welded it up. Got my casters on here. While it's on its wheels, I'm gonna go ahead and weld up what I can, and then I'm going to flip it back over because I've got a lot of welding to do on the underside, and it's just easier to flip it over. I'll probably just flip it on its side and not flip it completely back over. I'm going to take my flat disc and go around the whole tabletop and break these sharp edges. Here it is. I finally got me a welding slash fab table put together. How much did it cost? $8.95 minus the cost of the casters. I did have the casters. I had to buy everything else. So the top is a 4x8 by ½ inch thick piece of steel, $560 just for the top. The legs, 3x3 by 11 gauge. Now I buy this in 20-foot sticks, so I broke it down by the foot. I'm at $60 for the 4 legs. That's all 4 together, about 60 bucks. The horizontal pieces and the framing underneath is all 2x4, 11 gauge. And again, I buy these in 20-foot sticks, so I broke it down by the foot. I'm at about $275 for the rest of the framing. Altogether, $8.95 for this welding table. I'm probably gonna buy some locking casters at some point. This thing is pretty heavy, so it doesn't roll real easy. Now let's get to the weight. The weight of this table is 953 pounds. Again, minus the casters. I don't know, I didn't weigh the casters, but I do have weights on the steel from purchasing it. Just this 4x8 sheet was 653 pounds. And this other 3x3 and 2x4 11 gauge is about 475 a pound per foot. So total weight 953. If that gives you any idea for the casters, 953, let's say 1,000 pounds, you know, divided by 4 and you add a few pounds. So I'm going to add a lot of storage under here, place for grinders and clamps and some other tools. May put a toolbox under here or some kind of drawers. And that is obviously going to add a lot more weight to this. So if you got any questions, let me know. I hope this helps somebody out. I'll catch you on the next one.